Hello everyone, my name is Wenhao Zhang. Today I'm going to teach about how to add a new shipping carries for your eShop. So first we need to click on the left side under input. There is a shipping here, and then we need to click on carries. After we click on carry, on the right side of the screen we can see add new carry, so we click on it. In the carry name we can put UPS. Change time we can put next day delivery. On the speed grade we can put 1 to 9, so we can put it like 6. Okay, after we fill out the information, we can click next. So in here we need to fill out the shipping location and cost. So we need to charge fee for this shipping. So we can click North American, how much. If the weight is higher than 10, we need to charge like $20 for the shipping. So after we fill out this information, we click next. In here we need to put the maximum package weight. We can put it 15. Maximum package height we can put 10 cm. Maximum package deep we can put it 6, and maximum package weight we can put it 20. After we fill out the information, we need to click on next. So as you can see, the carrier can deliver order from 0 to 10 kg. If the order is out of range, the price will be charged for North American. So on the bottom we need to click yes, enable. And then we finish this one, click on finish. Now the shipping is successful create. Thank you.